In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable automatic dubbing on your YouTube videos. If you find this video helpful, I kindly request that you support me by liking this video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so by allowing automatic dubbing, it means your video will be translated in various languages across the world. If you want to enable this feature, then let me show you how you can do it. The first thing you need to do is to go to your YouTube studio. So I'll click on this image icon and then go to my YouTube studio here. Now from here, head to settings option here. And then from settings, go ahead and look for this option called upload defaults. Under upload defaults, we have two options, basic and advanced settings. Click on advanced settings. Now scroll down until you see this option called automatic dubbing. As you can see, this feature is not enabled on this channel, and I'll need to go ahead and enable it by clicking on enable. So if I tap on enable, now you can see the feature has been enabled, and we have an option to choose how you want it to work, either by having dubs in experimental languages only or having them available in all languages. So go ahead and choose the option that you wish. For my case, I want them to be available in all languages, and then go ahead and save by clicking on save here. From now henceforth, your videos that you upload will have an audio translation or dubbing in any language. So that's how you can enable automatic dubbing or audio dubbing of your videos on YouTube. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.